c'est une vidéo.
Yeah.
Ah ok. Welcome to Saint-Tropez.
Today we're parasailing. Parasailing in the south of France. With, what's your name? Philip. With Philip. Philip's taking us out. He's gonna send me up with these. It'll be pretty cool. I've never done it before. It's the first time ever doing it. And parasailing in the south of France. Never said that before in my life, so very excited. So I just got the briefing. Now I'm getting ready to go up into the sky. We're just finding the spot now. Pretty cool. I'm getting ready to go up right now. He's gonna send me up. Never done this before. This is so cool. Let's go! Bonjour! Incredible. I have a 360-degree view of the entire south of France all around me. I'm so far away from the boat. I've never been like this high before, just free balling it up in the sky right now, but it is so cool. Look at that. The water is just right behind me. It's insane. I'm so freaking happy to be alive right now.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes. Life-changing experience. I just saw south of France from 100 meters. That's never been that high before in my life. Just like free balling up there, solo. So that was really, really cool. That was awesome. Help them take the parachute down. Recommend to do parasailing for the first time because that was a life-changing experience, as you saw with Philip. And what's the company?
Marine Air Sport.
Marine Air Sport with Philip, and you'll be good. This is my last day of France. Just checking out the town before I leave. I have to go to the bus stop to get a ticket to get a bus to go to the airport. Then I'm gonna fly to Amsterdam in the Netherlands. So I haven't really had much time just by myself to check out this town, so I'm gonna walk around for a little bit and enjoy it before I go. guys, go ahead and subscribe if you're still watching this video. More videos coming out from Europe. I got my favorite country of Italy coming out, and I've got Amsterdam coming out, the Netherlands. Yeah, super excited. If you like this video and you like entertaining content, definitely subscribe. Like this video. Leave a comment under your favorite part of the video, or if you're related to something. I just want to hear from you guys, and I want to build this community. I love talking to anyone who comments. It's really amazing. Like, it's super motivating to see the support from you guys anytime I post a video. The thought of building a community and like having a bunch of people watching these videos that can all relate to each other is something that I am like super passionate about, and I want to make happen because I just want to see change in the world and positive growth and positive things happen in the world. That's kind of why I'm showcasing the world through my videos. I want to get to a point where I'm making like mini documentaries and travel films that just showcase different parts of the world and brings communities to the eyes of other communities that might not know about it. Anyways, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram @NickGeorgeOfficial, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.